What's up, guys? Have you ever been inside a blender and you're trying to get to an exact spot, but it's very difficult? For example, I'm trying to make a cornhole set, which you can see over here to the left. And so I have my board here. The board dimensions are good, but I'm trying to get to this hole right here. I can see that it's 91 centimeters away from the edge down here. So how exactly do I get there? Well, the first thought you might think is like, okay, use my measurement tool. And the cool part is we can do a edge center. And so you just scroll over it and it'll snap to that, okay? So you bring that up. So it snaps to that. You left click it and you bring it up, and of course it goes different directions, but you can snap that to the Y here, for my case at least. And you're trying to get to the 90 centimeters and you're just really trying hard to get there, and it just doesn't work. And unfortunately, there's really no way to enter in that exact 90 centimeters, or for my case, 91 centimeters, excuse me. And so what we want to do there instead is we can click on this in the annotations here and just get rid of that. The other thing that we could try is we could go ahead and add an object here, and we could make that object the exact dimensions that we're looking for. So, you know, for the item here, we can make this the dimensions of Y. We can make this 91 centimeters. And then, you know, basically we could take this and we could snap it to the bottom of this, and then that would get us to the 91 centimeters. But that is very cumbersome, and it's not really how we want to go. And so the best way to do this is it's all about the 3D cursor here. So with our, you know, snap to the edge center here selected, we're going to left click this. There we go. We've got a perfect snap there. And then we want to press in, or we want to bring up the side panel on the view tab. And we want to twirl down the 3D cursor. And all we have to do here is whatever distance we're trying to go. For myself, as you can see, it's along the Y axis here according to my diagram. So I'm going to add there, I'm going to add the 91 centimeters because I have my my units in centimeters, which you can change that over here under the scene properties. So length for centimeters for myself for now. And see, it perfectly snaps to the 91 centimeters away. So this will be the beginning of my hole. And hey guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial and you like my style, my name's Elijah, and if you're looking for private one-on-one tutoring at a very reasonable price inside of Blender, you can reach me at virtualtutorials123@gmail.com, and that email is in the description. Thanks so much here, and always remember the 3 P's: patience, passion, and perseverance. I'll see you on the next one.